Teach you how to host your course using Telegram. All you have to do is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the Telegram app. Follow all the guidance. They'll tell you to follow every prompt, every do this, click here, go here, and all of that. Just do that, okay? And once you are done, you also send you a code, please, to a phone number, an active phone number that you have access to. You just input the code or you receive a call from them and you are good to go. Your Telegram channel will be available for you. The next thing is for you to just go to your Telegram channel. I believe you will be having something like this. Ensure that your internet connection is turned on and ensure that you're using the latest Telegram app. So if, for those who already have the Telegram app, can just go to their Play Store or Apple Store and update it. Okay, so you should have something like this. So come over to where you have the pen tool. Click on that pen tool and they will ask you to Telegram needs access to your contact so that you can connect with. Just click on continue. So you can just allow them. Now, this is where you can click on new group to create your new group. If you click on new contact, is when you want to save someone's number on Telegram. Then if you click on new channel, I hope you know that a channel is different from new group. So please, let's just use new group. So click on the new group. They'll ask you to add someone. If you don't want to add anyone, just come over to this arrow here. So yes, you can just have your group without adding anyone. So what is the title of your course? So mine is productivity hacks for busy professionals. Then come over here to add the flyer you designed. Remember we designed the flyer, so click on that and to bring you to this part. Just look for where you have the flyer you designed and add it. Okay, so this is the flyer we designed for our productivity hacks for professionals. Okay, once you click on it, come over to this part. So that's just it. Okay, for professionals, not busy professionals. So once you are done, click on this good mark here. Now it is time for you to start your settings, but before that, there's a particular setting I would like to go through. But if I do that setting, I will not be able to record my screen. So this particular settings on, people will not be able to share my content out of this platform. So if you're afraid that they'll be able to save it to their gallery, no, you are protecting your course 100% with these features. Except this person wants to use another phone to record while watching, and is going to be stressful and not something that will even give the video a high quality. So just look at what you would do. I'll show you how to do the setting, but then let's us arrange the videos first. So the first thing you would like to do is to write. So you can say, welcome to this course. I am super excited to have you here. I would like you to open your mind for growth. Each module has an assessment or task. Do well to carry out that task to get a better understanding. Also, just in case you have any questions, you can reach out to me privately. Thank you. Privately. Now come over here and write notes. No part of this course should be replicated or sold. Replicated, shared, or sold. Then thank you. If you are wondering what app I use that helps me to fine-tune my message, I actually use the Grammarly app. Okay, so it tells me how my content is or my write-up is, and it helps me make corrections quickly. So this is the introduction. So once I'm done with the introduction, click on this arrow to send my introduction. Okay, so after my introduction, the next thing I need to do is to start posting my video. But before I post my video, what do? I would go to my file and name my videos. Okay, so come over to your files for mine, click on my files, go to where I have videos, click on videos, then click on all videos. Now this is my introduction video, this is my course outline, and this is my module 1. So I'll click on these three dots here, click on it, go to where I have rename, click on rename, and please don't remove this mp4. In case you remove the mp4, put dot and put mp4 the way it is. Don't remove it. If not, this will go to another folder. Okay, so avoid this, please. So it only highlights the other part, which is the name, but sometimes we make mistakes and try to delete the mp4. Don't delete it. Now I'm going to write introduction, and click OK. Okay, come over to where I have this, click on the three dots, click on rename, and type course outline and click on OK. So come over to this one and write your module 1, click on rename and type module 1. Now for most people, the MB of your videos will be so large. So how do you combat that? How do you take care of that? Simply come over to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this app called Panda. So once you download the Panda app, you can actually pay a certain amount of money for subscription. I paid for a lifetime subscription. I think you can also use it for free, but I actually paid for a lifetime subscription. It's not expensive, it's quite affordable, very affordable. Okay, so click on Panda Video. This is how the Panda Video looks like. This particular Panda Video compresses video in such a way that you will maintain the quality of your video and your video will still. So this is for people that their video quality large. Just like this video now, it is a 30-minute video and it's 728 MB. So if I want to reduce this particular video after editing it, all I have to do is just come over to Panda, click on it, and it will reduce this from 728 MB to 100 MB without reducing the quality. So I'll just click on this. Now this is 9 MB. Come over to where I have next, click on next and come over to this part. Use large file. Okay, use large file, don't use small, don't use medium, use large file. This for those whose video is extremely high, the MB is high. I know if people download your videos, they will complain. Like videos that is 100 MB and it's small, like a 30-minute video, you are having 100 MB after you edit. You can use this Panda to compress it. It will maintain the quality of your video, and that's what you use. So that's what I use for my YouTube videos. The videos, when I create them, when I record my screen, is usually 1000 MB, which is 1 GB. So when I compress, it reduces to either 200 or 100, which is very good. So come over to large, put it at large, do not put it at medium or small, put it at large, then click on compress. So since the video is short, the compression won't take so much time. So let's wait for it to get compressed. Okay, so it's now 100%. You see, it compressed from 9 MB to 1 MB, 1 MB. So come over to where you have compare. Let's compare what it gave us. So this is the original size and this is the compressed one. So click on the compressed one. So you can see that it is still very, very bright. Now let's click on this to go back and see the compressed file. You won't even notice the difference. So this is the one this is the original file. So you can see that it's really saved me so much MB and it still maintained the quality of my video. So what I would do is to click on where I have replace. I don't save or share, I click on replace. It automatically replaces the one I have already. It saves my phone's space and every other thing. So let me quickly do that for all my modules. So you do that for all your module too. Okay, let me quickly click on replace, click on OK and click on allow. So it has replaced. So I'll do that for all my videos. So I selected 2 of my videos and I clicked to compress both of them together. Now look at that one that is 19 MB, now 3 MB, and that of 20 MB, now 3 MB. Just come over to replace, click on OK and click on allow. So I am done with that. Allow again for the second video. Okay, so I'm done with my Panda app. So come over to where we have our Telegram. Then it's time to start putting our videos. So come over to this link, click on it. That go to where you have file, click on file, and go to where you have internal storage. Click on internal storage and it will bring you to this part. So you pick them one at a time. If you pick the three of them together, they'll stay together, and I don't want them to stay together. So I'm just going to pick one at a time. So the first one is my introduction. So I'm going to pick my introduction, and I will allow it to fully upload before I put my second video. So come over to this again, click on it, storage, and pick my course outline. Now you will continue doing this for each of your videos, first video, second module, till you are done with the final one. How you do them till you have completed all the videos. Then come over to where you have, click on where you have one member, tap on that part. Come over to where you have this pen icon, click on the pen icon. Go to where you have chat history, convert it to public, so that if new members, let me click on it so I can read it again. So you see where you have chat history, new members will see messages that were sent before they joined. If you click on hidden, new members won't see more than 100 previous messages. So just click on visible, allow it to be visible. So once you make it visible, you still click on where you have group type, right? Click on private, click on it. So come over to where you have restrict saving content. Once you click on restrict saving content, they cannot screen record your video with their phone, just the way I'm recording my screen now. Once I click on this restrict saving content, you will not be able to see my screen again when I'm on Telegram. Oh yes. So click on it, ensure you turn it on. Once you're done with that, then this is what I do. This is my invite link. I always click on manage invite link to create a new invite link. So come see, don't forget, turn this on, restrict saving content, so that people cannot save your videos once they pay for your course, so that they don't save it. You only have access to your video. So except they want to try another, corny way, we Nigerians, but aside that, they can't easily save your videos. Okay, so X this. I don't want to turn it on. Once I turn it on, you won't be able to view my screen, but ensure you turn it on when you are doing your settings. Even you will not be able to copy your content until you turn it off. So I usually turn it off whenever I want to copy my content, but if I don't want to copy it, I leave it the way it is. Click on where you have manage invite link, click on manage invite link, click on where you have create new link, click on create new link. So you can leave this link to no limit, leave it at no limit, then leave it at no limit to time. And I'm not sure you want to wait to request admin approval. No, just leave it. Once people pay through seller, they can easily access, so leave it. So I'm going to give this a link name, seller automated automate. Okay, let me leave it as seller automate. Then click on create. Okay, so once I'm done with that, click on this to copy the link. So come over to where you have copy, to copy your link. So you have copied your group link. So once you are done copying that new link, I don't want to copy this one. So go back, scroll down to where you have group type. Ensure that the group type is private, not public. You don't want everybody to have access to the group. Ensure it's public and private. This part is okay like this. So once you are done, click on this good mark. So you are done with that. So this part of topics, if you want your videos to be in each topic, assuming you have module 1, but it's a little bit stressful, you don't want to stress people, so leave it. But you can play with this, you can try this to get it. So reactions of permission. I don't want people to be able to send message to this group. I don't want any disorganized. So once new people join the group, they'll be able to easily find my video. So come over to where you have permissions, click on it, and first things, you turn all of this off. So I'm turning the first one off. Once I'm done, click on the good mark. Okay, so administrator, I'm the only administrator. Once I click on administrator, so if you want to add an admin, click on this part where you have add an admin. So add admin. Okay, so once you're done clicking to add, go back. You also have admin members to see the number of people. You can look at your statistic, you can look at recent actions, and you can also delete and leave the group. So once you are done with the settings, click on this good mark and you are good to go. Click on this to go back. So this is it. This is your page. Your page is all set. So people can, join and anything. So now let's quickly go to my notepad or to your notepad to save your link, because we would use it in our next video where you will learn how to automate your sales or set up your seller account. Okay, so where is my notepad? So if you are still watching this up until now, that means you are getting value, and that is why you are still here. So kindly click on the like button to like this video and encourage me that, oh Joy, I really love what you're doing. Also take a time to comment. You can ask a question, I'll always answer you. Also click on the share button to share to those of your friends who you feel that they need to start something, they need to start a skill, they need to start selling a digital product, or you just think that they would really like this one. Share to them. And finally, subscribe. So see you in our next video. Thank you.